Will Do has a wild card today, and I don't know what it is. Do I know what it is? Did we clear this? I don't even remember. Now I'm blanking because the AMC pantsless guy has me all flustered over here.
Well, when you gave me the stories, I was asking you if you heard about this invisible art.
Oh, yes.
Did you read about it?
Yes, I saw. Okay, so I saw this. Get ready to be blown away, ladies and gentlemen. The Willie Do Wildcard is back. Here you go.
Okay, so speaking of Italy, there's an artist who sold an invisible sculpture for $18,000. And once you see the sculpture...
But wait, why does the headline say $23,500?
I believe this is like Canadian.
Oh.
Or Australian.
Australian, okay.
From the site.
Oh, okay.
Like...
I got you. US 18,000. Got it.
So I picked this Yahoo Finance site specifically because it has some pretty awesome quotes about it. So he was talking about explaining the actual sculpture, but essentially the sculpture is right in the middle of this park area in Italy, and it's literally just taped off, and it's like a 5-foot square that's taped off, and there's nothing there. And he calls it the Buddha
in contemplation.
Yeah. And he made this little video about it explaining where it is.
You do not see it, but it exists. It is made of air and spirit.
It's not even like aerial drone shots. It's just him shooting.
Activate the power of imagination, a power that anyone has, even those who don't think they have it. What a weird production as well.
Yeah, it's black and white.
I think he has a gimbal at least, or the stabilization on the camera is pretty good.
And he's just, he just walks away. It's one of the weird artsy.
But I don't understand, how do you buy?
I'm just like, wow.
How do you buy it though, Will? Because it's taped off like in a public street or something.
Yeah, it's kind of
you just get a certificate.
Yeah, there's like a certificate of authenticity. And I mean,
does it have any information about the buyer?
No.
No.
So there's no information, but people asked them about, or asked this artist about, you know, what it is, and there's some just weird quotes. Rather than invisible sculptures, I would define them as immaterial sculptures. My fantasy, trained for a lifetime to feel differently, the existing around me allows me to see what apparently does not exist. Let's see. The vacuum is nothing more than a space full of energy, and even if we empty it, there is nothing left, according to the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, that nothing has a weight. He said, therefore, it has energy that is condensed and transformed into particles, that is, into us. That's it. It's just crazy. I don't know. Like this, is this like the new form of NFT or something? I'm just really confused.
Well, you can't keep doing it. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Like you can't sell the invisible sculpture multiple times. He can't come back with invisible sculpture 2, can he?
I don't think so. No, I think.
Look at the top comment on this Instagram post. I have the same sculpture in my home.
It's just crazy how an artist can do this and actually be certified, and someone will actually buy it for a lot of money.
How do we know that he didn't buy it?
He could have.
Like, or a relative or something, and then tremendous notoriety.
Yeah,
like
I mean, we're talking about it.
Yeah,
right?
18,000, and you get the story goes around the world, the invisible sculpture. Who buys it? You don't get anything, Will.
Yeah.
It's invisible.
Yes, it is.
There's nothing transacted.
Yeah. You only get a certificate.
This actually makes NFTs make sense.
Sure, yeah.
You got something.
It has pixels.
Well, you got something. You got this. You're on the blockchain at least.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't no blockchain over here. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm gonna go finish my invisible sculpture right
right,
here.
there you go.
It's gonna have a better idea than doing this show.